The TOPDON AD500 Diagnostic Scanner offers an impressive range of functions beyond basic OBD2 capabilities, making it a versatile tool for vehicle maintenance. With its advanced four-system diagnostics, this scanner provides in-depth analysis for crucial systems like the engine, transmission, and SRS, ensuring comprehensive vehicle health checks. Featuring 6 essential reset functions, the AD500 allows users to perform vital maintenance tasks such as throttle adaptation and resets for oil, steering angle, tire pressure monitoring system, battery management system, and electronic parking brake. Its Smart AutoVIN technology simplifies the diagnostic process by automatically identifying the vehicle make, model, and year, streamlining the setup for accurate diagnostics. The TOPDON AD500 supports over 67 car brands and is available in 12 languages, ensuring broad compatibility and accessibility for users around the globe. Designed with upgraded hardware, it includes a 5-inch screen, a combination of touchscreen and physical buttons, ample storage, a long-lasting battery, and an ergonomic design for user convenience.